What should I eat if I have fatty liver? Fatty liver or macrovesicular steatosis is a disease that is generally related to poor dietary habits. There are two kinds of fatty liver, one caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and one caused by an unhealthy diet rich in fats and triglycerides, which prevent this organ from eliminating toxins efficiently. Some people have a type of resistance to insulin, which is the hormone responsible for regulating glucose. This causes changes in the metabolism and directly affects the liver tissues. A fatty liver causes chronic fibrosis, hardened liver. This happens when the level of functioning of this organ decreases, the fat oxidizes, and as a result it gets inflamed, leading to a multitude of problems. Common symptoms of fatty liver. Not all people with fatty liver experience symptoms. However, these are the most common ones. Exhaustion or fatigue, loss of appetite, pain in the right part of the abdomen, sensation of extreme bloating, nausea, difficulties with concentration, and bad memory. If you have these symptoms, consult a specialist so that they can carry out the appropriate examinations. Treating this condition on time can prevent cirrhosis and its side effects. There is also a biological predisposition to have fatty liver if you suffer from obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, or high concentrations of triglycerides in the blood. What should I eat if I have fatty liver? It is essential to understand that to cure fatty liver you need to make significant changes to your diet. Note down these recommendations that we're going to list now so that you can include foods rich in fiber and healthy proteins in your daily diet. Garlic. This bulb contains selenium and allicin, perfect ingredients for cleansing the liver because they increase the activation of the enzymes which promote the elimination of toxins. Ginger. Thanks to its high content of antioxidants, ginger is an ideal ally for lowering triglycerides. Ginger tea. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 250 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of ginger root, 30 grams, 1 teaspoon of honey, 5 milliliters. Preparation: heat the water and, when it boils, add the ginger and leave it for 5 minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup. Add the honey and drink while it is warm. You can drink this tea mid-afternoon and repeat for at least 2 weeks. Chard. Chard is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium and water. This makes it an excellent tonic for rejuvenating the liver cells and cleansing a fatty liver. Grapefruit. This magnificent fruit contributes to activating certain chemicals responsible for the oxidation of fatty acids, so it is not only appropriate for fatty liver but also helps to lose weight. Drink grapefruit juice every morning and enjoy the benefits of getting rid of fats from your body, helping you to achieve a healthier body. Green tea. Another perfect ally for regulating the functions of the liver is green tea. Its components like catechine directly contribute to the control of the free radicals found in our bodies. Linseed. Linseed contributes significant quantities of omega-3 which can help reduce the levels of fat in the blood. It also contains a lot of soluble and insoluble fiber. The first of these helps the liver with absorbing fats and the latter prevents constipation. Gooseberries. Gooseberries are sources of vitamin C. What's more, they have multiple properties for healing and cleansing the liver. Thanks to their high content of antioxidants, they are powerful for releasing the toxins that tend to be stored in the liver. Such is the case that they are used more and more frequently to treat cirrhosis, with marvelous results. Papaya. Among the many nutrients that papaya contains are calcium, iron and vitamins. However, its best property is its high concentration of digestive enzymes like papain and chymotrypsin, which influence the majority of the functions of the liver. These enzymes are principally found in the seeds. You can dry them or buy them in a shop. So, if you include them in your daily diet you will improve your digestion and cleanse your liver deeply. Also, we advise you to do exercise. Basically, start with low-impact walks. Then, little by little, include a moderate routine that helps increase your cardiac activity and circulation. Suffering from fatty liver is a condition that can be reversed by just changing your lifestyle. Reducing your intake of fats and alcohol is one of the main aspects to consider.